Alright everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Dowellin X2 aerial drone. Looks pretty neat. It's got a lot of features on here. Flips, headless mode, speed control, one key spin, flashing lights, auto hovering, and one key takeoff land. So let's get it out of the box and check it out. Alright, here it is out of the box, and it's looking pretty good. Real nice, actually. Now, it has a instruction manual that's very well laid out. The manual on this thing is, I mean, this is telling you everything you need to know about how to operate this this quadcopter. It's all in here. But anyway, it has a 3.750 milliamp. They have these modular batteries in here, which I think is pretty cool. Makes it easy for kids, you know, if they want to mess with it. They don't have to be farting around with those little, you know, the little plugs and all that crap. So there you go. There's one of the batteries, and it just plugs right in there. See it? Right there, you just plug it in. Fits perfect in there, and it comes with two, plus the charger, prop removal tool, extra props, and the transmitter. And there it is right there. It has a little light there on the front. Looks like one of those whoops. Here's the transmitter. There's the on and off button right there. There's the battery compartment, and it has it's sporting 3 AA's. I got rid of that screw. You know I always get rid of that damn screw. Anyway, here's your trim buttons over here. Over here is your emergency stop, takeoff, land, return to home, or whatever the hell they want to call it. There's that little spin button. We're going to try it out. It makes it spin around. Here's your flips over here, and then over here is your rates. It has 3 rates on this thing. So, yeah, it seems pretty nice. Seems pretty nice. There's the extra battery. And it's nice they give you 2 batteries. You know, it's always nice if you get an extra battery, because you know you're only going to get like 5 minutes or 6 minutes, and 6 minutes, and then wait for 30 minutes. So this way you get 12 minutes, 13 minutes, or whatever, the farting around before you have to charge the batteries again. So yeah, I like these kind of batteries, these little modular ones. I wish more of them would do it, actually. Alright guys, let's take it over there and fly it for a little bit and see how it acts. Alright guys, we're gonna try out this Dowellin X2. See how that thing flies. Let me crank up the rate here a little bit. The second rate. Try a flip. Flips are great. Let me try this spin thing here. Okay, so it spins. Okay, so. Okay, so the red light is the back, and the blue light is the front. I need to trim it just a little hair here. Okay, there it goes. Oh, it's very nimble. Very nimble. Look at that thing. Okay, that's great. Oh yeah. I'll put the flight time in there. I'll put that little clock in there, so if you skim through the video, just skim around to the end, and you can see what the flight time is going to be. Oh, this thing just is fantastic. Look how well this thing steers. Let's check the bumping, see if it can withstand the crashing. Yep. Yep, very good, very good. Let's check the third rate out. It's got the 3 rates, but I think the second rate's probably good enough for in here. Oh yeah, this is a really nice quadcopter here, guys. Really nice indoor flyer. Great. Let me check the first rate out here. See how that works. It looks, the pitch is hardly any pitch or roll on it at all, so you can fly it, but it's not much fun. But for a youngster, it might be okay. I would say for indoors like this, I would stick with the second rate. That would probably be your best option. Yeah, it does. It flips in all directions, all 4 directions. It'll flip whatever way you want to put the stick. That's which way it'll do the flips. So, oh yeah, this thing flies great. Look at that. Wow. Plus this little battery seems to be lasting for a while too, so that's a good thing. There's a crash. I tried to do a flip with the, well, I was making a turn, so that was a little bit of a screw up on my part, but it's no big deal. Let me see if that knocked the trim out. A little hair. Usually these altitude hold quadcopters, when you crash them, it'll throw the barometer out of sorts a little bit. So you just reset it and trim it out, trim it back out. It didn't seem like it affected it too much there though. Oh, there goes the light. There's the warning light. Okay, since I don't want to ruin the battery, I'll just land it. All right, there you go, guys. The Dowellin. It's a classic. The X2. All right, have a nice day.